Divide 945 by 7 in long division method. 7 times 1 is 7. On subtracting we get 2. So now this 2 is less than 7. So we put down this 4 and it is 24. 7 times 3 is 21. On subtracting we get 3. So again this 3 is less than 7. So we put down this 5 and it is 35. 7 times 5 is 35. On subtracting we get 0. So 945 divided by 7 is 145. So this much for today and thanks for watching.